Coronavirus infections in Los Angeles have doubled in numbers since Thanksgiving and quadrupled in just a month, bringing the rate of both hospitalizations and deaths to alarming levels.
As cases have continued to increase the past few weeks, we will bear witness to a significant rise in the number of people who are dying. While this trend line provides a frightening visual of our reality, the more terrible truth is that over 8,000 people who were beloved members of their families are not coming back.
LA County data indicates the situation could get even worse. And this graph shows the exponential surge in California's daily infections reaching unexpected levels in December. Local health officials warned the coronavirus infections are now so widespread that the overall chances of contracting the virus and being one of the unlucky 12% to need hospitalization is now worse than ever. Many hospitals across the state are looking at emergency measures while operating at near capacity. This hospital has set up a tent in its parking lot to accommodate the influx of patients.
This area right here actually used to be our main hospital lobby. As COVID continued to increase, we ended up making this our emergency department lobby. And COVID continued to increase the demand for the hospital, and we had to turn this into a COVID holding area for our inpatients that don't have rooms upstairs.
But making extra space does not solve the problem, as many facilities report shortages of medical equipment and staff.
I think one of the most important things to remember, though, is when we talk about ICU capacity, it's not just about beds and mattresses and pillows. The limiting factor, the most important factor here in caring for people who have the COVID-19 disease are the nurses, the staff. That's what's short, and that's what's different this time around than it was during our summer surge.
LA County currently has some of the toughest restrictions in the country. For now, officials are focusing on urging people to comply with restrictions as the state is facing a catastrophic surge in cases. It is Tianshan, CGTN, Los Angeles.